13.A3 jam error in tray 3. Open the tray 3 right side access door. Remove any jammed paper found in access area and close the access door. Open the right door and gently remove any jammed paper. Close right door. Open tray 3 and remove the paper from the tray. Make sure that the tray width and length guides are set to the correct paper size for the paper. Do not overfill. Close tray 3. Open the tray 3 right door to access the rollers. Locate and remove the tray 3 separation roller. Clean the rollers with a dampened lint-free cloth. Reinstall the roller assemblies and close the right door. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.